Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today there's gonna be a new Animal Company update. I don't know why I'm so bright. I don't notice anything different. No. The only weird... Yeah, I don't... Oh, new art. Oh, that's sick. Hey bro, I'm running. Yeah, I don't want to go over there. Okay. First, I don't want to check anything else out. I feel like... What the freak is that? Running. Whoa, that's sick. The heck? I hear it talking. I'm going to store. I don't know what store is gonna do. How much about the new cosmetics? There's a deer? Dad, about the deer? Oh no, I need that. I need to get it. No, I'm going broke, bro. No, they added back the reindeer. Oh, that's cool. I need to get the reindeer then. Okay, so that. Trust, guys, I might get the reindeer, not gonna lie. Jump, start pack. Ready, set, jump. This pack contains the perfect combination of the greatest of the day. 2,000 hearts, 2,000 combinations, winged shoes. Okay, I mean, at least you get 10, 5. I don't know. I didn't know. It looks like a face. For some reason, it can look like a face. I'm actually Goofy, bro. What the freak? Why would I do that? No, why would I do that? Guys, I'm kind of going broke right now. Look at that. Okay, what is it? Input. Company? I don't know what this is supposed to do. Guys, I'm very sorry. For some reason, it stopped my recording. So, yeah. Yeah, bro, no one's running Zion GT, bro. Yo. I'm just gonna say his join code. ZGT. Zion. I'm just gonna say join code Zion. See if there's anyone to code Zion. Probably. It's my name, my code, and my everything. Okay, no one in Zion. We're good. We're good, guys. We're good. Yo! I'm gonna go buy some. have the new broccoli. Yo, wait, can someone give me a grappler? Can you give me a grappler? So we can do the update? Man, my headshot just came off again.
You want a grappler?
No, headshot don't fall off. For some reason, they keep on disconnecting me. I'm gonna try to strike in my headshot. So okay guys, let's go to mines, and then mine everything. What is this? That's weird. Dang it. I don't know. You guys, I've already made 3 parts and I do not know how to do any of these updates, bro. Maybe I'll wait till tomorrow and do the update. But for now, I'm going to end the video, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching and peace out.